we at the next land of adventure yet?
We should be getting close, but with the fog this thick, it's hard to see what's below us.
Something smells delicious. It's chocolate.
You're right. And I smell cakes baking too.
The smell seems to be coming from below.
Wow.
Whoa!
Oh, my.
Look at that castle.
It looks just like the birthday cake Mom made for me.
I wonder if that big strawberry is real.
If that old castle were a real cake, it would take all of us 100 years to eat it.
A castle made out of cake. I'd love to live there.
Yeah.
Me too.
Hey, there's an ice cream house.
And there's a house that looks like a chocolate sundae.
Well, children, it looks like we've arrived at our next land of adventure.
Dad, let's go down there right now. Yeah, let's go.
Please, Daddy.
Zephyr, non-stop to the next land of adventure, please.
Aye, aye, sir. Via Super Express.
Welcome to the land of treats.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Please help yourselves to whatever treat you like.
All of the stores are the best in the world.
Please take your time and eat to your heart's content.
Really?
The best stores? We can eat as much as we want?
Yes. Please help yourselves.
Hooray!
Everything looks so good.
Which store should we go into first?
There are so many. I can't decide. I want chocolate. I want custard pudding.
I want ice cream.
I want banana muffins. Banana pancakes. Banana splits.
I'd like a vanilla and chocolate double, please.
Okay, would you like some chopped nuts on there too?
Oh, yes, please. It's huge.
Have as much as you like.
I can have all this?
I better eat this quickly, or it'll melt.
I can eat, and there's still lots more.
More cake, dear?
Love some. Why, thank you, Celeste.
It's so good I could eat forever.
Was that ever good?
Delicious.
I want to stay in this land forever. Yeah, it's like a dream.
If this is a dream, then I'm dreaming something is on fire.
Something's burning. You're right. I smell it too.
Uh-oh.
Let's go see. Come on.
Wait!
Children, be careful.
Over there. It's this store. The smell is definitely coming from here.
I wonder if anybody's here. It's coming from the kitchen.
Huh? Burnt cakes. These are what we smell. Someone's crying.
Who is it?
Is everyone all right?
What am I gonna do?
Why are you crying? Would you like to tell us about it?
My name is Mark. This is my grandfather's cake shop. It's known for the best cakes in this city.
The best cakes in this city?
Well, it used to be. And now the inspection is tomorrow. What if I don't pass? Oh.
Mark, it's okay. Why don't you tell us what happened?
Okay. You see, it all started because the prince loves treats. So the king gathered the best chefs from around the world to make the most delicious treats for his son. This was one of the shops. The prince loved grandfather's cakes the most and used to come to the shop with the king every day at snack time. The shop was praised as the best in the land. And grandfather was made the official cake baker to the king. Grandfather was so proud. My grandfather raised me, but he got sick and had to go to the hospital.
That's why you're trying to run this store by yourself.
They said if I learned to make delicious cakes and passed the inspection, I could keep the shop open. I have to keep it open for when grandfather comes home.
Don't worry, Mark. I'm sure you'll learn.
But the inspection is tomorrow, and all I can make are these burnt-up black things.
There must be someone who can teach Mark to bake.
Mom!
Me?
Your cakes are the best, Mom.
Yeah, you can teach Mark how to bake.
If anyone can teach him, it's you, dear.
All right. I'll give it a try.
Really?
But everyone has to help.
Okay. Mom, I sifted the flour.
Very good. Now it's Mark's turn. Mix that with the beaten eggs. Be careful not to mix it too much.
Okay.
Here are the raisins and nuts, dear.
Good. Alexander, don't stand too close to the oven.
The cake sure is starting to smell good.
Wonderful. Mark, come and take a look at this cake. Yes, this is about perfect.
Wow, it is perfect.
It looks good.
Now, let's all taste it.
It's delicious.
Yummy.